Remove the COM terminal from the accessory box and prepare an RJ45 network cable. Strip the outer sheath of the network cable, then use specialized crimping pliers to securely crimp the exposed bare copper conductors. Use the same method to prepare the meter communication cable as demonstrated in the video. Connect one end to port 6 and 7 of the COM terminal. When installing the COM terminal, ensure the protruding part aligns with the position marked with an arrow until you hear a click sound, indicating that the cover has been successfully secured. Insert the COM terminal into the COM port of the inverter. The other end of the network cable is connected to terminals A and B of the electric meter. After the meter is connected, it is necessary to carefully inspect the CT direction and cable installation. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful. Like and subscribe for more installation tutorials.